Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we saw how we can work on the list. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can work on the dictionaries. Let me create a new task. Name it as a dictionary. Now before moving to the actions, let's go to the variables and create one variable with the type dictionary. So I'll write down dictionary and the subtype is basically string. So I'm going to store a string value to our dictionaries. Now let's me click on the add button, which will give me the key and the value here. Now this is totally optional. If your dictionary, if you are basically putting a key and value pairs from the Excel file data, then you don't need to provide a default value here, but just for a testing here, we'll provide some default value, which is name. The key will be the name here and the value will be the Rahul. Let me click on the create button. Now moving to the actions, when you type dictionary here, we have different actions here. So we'll start with the assign first. As we have already created a dictionary, so I am going to select that dictionary from here. From here also you can create it if you want, but as we have created a variable, so I'm utilizing this. Click on the dictionary and choose the same dictionary. Now what you can do after this, once it is assigned, you can check the size of this dictionary. What is the size of the dictionary? Let me create one new variable, int count. We'll follow the same pattern that we followed in the last video. We will check with the message box size, what is the size of it, int number dot to string. Okay, this will going to give us a size. So for now, if you see in the dictionary, we have passed only one value. So when you edit this variable, you can see we have passed only one value with the key and the value pair, which is name, and the value is Rahul. Now let me add some more values to it. So for that, you have to use the action which is put. So I am going to drag drop this action below to this assign activity. I'll choose a dictionary from here. Okay, now here you have to pass the key. So I'm going to pass a key. So in the dictionary we always have to pass a key and the value, right? So I'm passing the new key, which is H. So there are two options, static and the variable. If your value is coming from the variable, you have to pass that variable here. For now I am using this one. I'm using this static value, which is 23 here, and this is totally an optional. So for now what I have done, I have assigned a new key which is H and the value is 23 to the dictionary. That means we will going to have a 2 count in the dictionary. Let me run the bot. Okay, now it's not at some places, but mostly when we have a dictionary, we use it through the keys, right? If I want to get a value with respect to key, I have to use a get in that case. Let me put the get here. I'll add the dictionary. The key, let me pass a name for now. and this I'm going to store it into some variable which is name. Let me write down as any value. I will use a message box again just to print this value. Okay, so what will going to happen here? First, when we run the bot, we will going to have a dictionary here. We have assigned a dictionary here. Here we are going to add a new key which is age and the value is 23. Then we are checking the size of the dictionary. What is the size of the dictionary? Then we are going to print a message box saying okay, this is the size, this is the total count in the dictionary. Then I am going to retrieve a value with respect to the key that I am passing here, and then I'm going to show it in the message box. Now it is showing two value here which is the to count, and it is showing a value with respect to the key. Now if I pass here the age, this will going to give me the value with respect to the key age. It is showing the count and then the value which is 23 we have passed. So stay with the tutorial. If you have any doubt, you can comment on my video. Have a great day.